Best turmeric face mask for acne scars. Best face mask for pimples on face. Aloe vera mask for acne. If you struggle with acne and you are tired of using some best face mask for acne prone skin from internet but you are still looking for some good face masks for acne, then these turmeric mask ingredients is going to be the extraordinary choice of yours. Honey is one of nature's most revered skin remedies. Honey is often used for best face pack for acne and pimples. This DIY turmeric and honey mask will fix acne and help to get rid of acne scars fast. It is a miraculous natural ingredient and a great oil-free moisturizer for acne-prone skin. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. Using turmeric mask for acne scars actually helps by removing the excess oil and destroying the bacteria. Rich in antioxidants, banana will nourish and revitalize dry skin as well as smooth and rough and aging skin. There are so many solutions to acne, but this is going to be the best natural face mask for acne and oily skin. This powerful ingredient helps to hydrate, brighten, and lighten your skin. It helps fade dark spots, remove blemishes, and leave your skin with a glow. Now you will know why it is said to be the best mask for acne-prone skin. Potassium, vitamins E and C present in banana prepare this anti-acne face mask for clear skin and glowing skin. It promotes the highest effects when it is added with turmeric honey mask. Its moisturizing properties heal cracked and flaky skin. Banana and turmeric destroy bacteria and germs by making it an anti-acne mask. Packed with anti-aging benefits, banana helps in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Yogurt has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that not only gives glowing and healthy skin but help prevent breakout of acne and ensure a great face mask to get rid of acne scars. There are many ways to use aloe vera face mask for acne and pimples. If you have mild to moderate acne, you can use aloe vera gel for healing. We are not talking about the store-bought aloe vera gel but the sap that you get when you cut the aloe vera leaf. It has anti-inflammatory properties which prepares this natural mask for acne scars and pimples. This is a pure organic vegan turmeric face mask. I would suggest you to apply this in alternative days to get rid of dark spots, acne spots and pigmentation. This is going to be the best face mask for acne scars. Now stop searching those best drugstore face masks for acne, rather start to use this turmeric powder for face and notice the changes within weeks. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.